ఒక
recorded
స్మాల్
progress.
అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఏందంటే, వీడియోస్ త్రూ యూట్యూబ్‌లో చూస్తే అంత క్లారిటీగా ఉండడం లేదు. హ్మ్.
Is it?
ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పేటప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ చాలా క్లారిటీగా ఉంటది. కానీ యూట్యూబ్‌లో చూసామనుకో ఆ వర్డ్స్ కానీ కనపడవు.
అవునా? Is it?
అవును. 2, 3 వీడియోస్ చూసాను నేను. మీరు ఎస్ఏపిలో నేమ్స్ ఎంటర్
Okay.
చేస్తారు కదా! ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేమ్స్ అవి కానీ కనపడడం లేదు యాక్యురేట్‌గా.
Anyone, other people also have same thing, observed, clarity of the words. So, I mean the not voice, but the what the I'm typing there, the
స్క్రీన్
code and all,
విజిబిలిటీ.
right?
యాహ్! స్క్రీన్ విజిబిలిటీ.
Screen. Because the other batch also I'm taking regularly for so many months,
హుహు.
more than 2 months.
ఓకే.
So they are preferring. I mean, they're not said anything. That's why I'm going through
ఓకే.
this only.
Sure, sir. I'll recheck it once again because I went through the 2
Just
videos, very
check
first
once.
videos.
Okay. Ah, if that is the case, right, I will. I can record in my test system.
Sure,
Then
sure.
I can upload if
Yeah,
required.
yeah.
Otherwise, I can also Zoom. This one cloud also storage. It is filled, but I can take off, remove that, and then I can store in the Zoom as well.
Okay.
The
Yeah, yeah.
cloud
Okay.
storage. Just 1 second. Correct.
Okay.
So we'll go to other views. We'll go especially the help you. Sorry, maintenance view. Because that is what I was telling yesterday. All the backend configuration SAP doing is through maintenance view only. For example, if I go to SPRO, SPRO means for ABAP people, it is like for us SC38. So all the functional activities can navigate, do it through the SPRO. Right? To go to SPRO, suppose if you want to create a new company information, new company, right? So SAP functional peoples will create this way through enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define a company. New company, if you want to create a new company information, you click here, define company. Okay. So these are the existing companies. If you want to create a new company, the backend is a maintenance view. I'll show you how is that. I mean, how do I know is if I press F1 here, you will see the description here. If you click on technical attributes, you'll get a pop-up. You see here V underscore T880 here. This is the view name. If I double click again here, it takes to the view definition. This is where the view has been defined. If I go to here, you can see which table the data is going to hit finally. T880. Again, if you go to T880, you can see here this is company global company information. Here you can see all the data, contents. This is company data. So we'll create one new company. The same thing we can do through the transaction code also, right? Do you anything remember, Raghu or Chari? Company information, company creation, not company code.
T0 company code implement T001.
Not table, transaction code. Company, what I
OX10
am creating,
OX10 countries,
OX,
10.
OX10.
OX01 or 10. Or else if you go to the path, I'll tell you. If you go to the path. Yeah,
So I'll go back.
OX01.
Where is the T code will be there
This is
here?
a this is a company
No,
code. Company code, right?
company. No,
Yeah, that
company.
is a
First
company.
company.
Yeah, that is a company.
And the T code. So I'm asking that do you have a T code for this, right? Transaction for the
OX01, try OX01.
YX.
OX01. Oh, I went to the assignment.
No,
One
I can
second.
ChatGPT. Our best friend. ChatGPT.
Yeah. SAP point of view,
So
that is not giving more information. So what Google giving, that much only it's giving.
yeah. OX 15. So the same thing. What I'm doing here is you can do that through OX 15 also. That is what my point. Not only
Hmm.
through SPRO,
Yeah, yeah,
OX
correct. Through T code also we can do it.
15 now. Is showing as a locked because I am doing in the other station as well.
Hmm.
Hence I'm unable to do it. I will go back. Now I will remove the lock. Go to /m/bo SM12. Some delete the locks. Select all option is not there here. Huh? So I deleted the lock now. Go to OX 15 now. See the new company information. Okay. If I click on new entries, I can create a new company. Right? Yes. This is to give the more clarity only. They give the two options, right? Company name and name of company too. Right? So information of the company. I can do here. Huh?
Yeah, that's it.
That is the main reason, right? White fill PO box.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Many of the people, right? PO box postal code we will be having only in India.
Hmm.
PO box concept is there in other countries, right? So PO box is like I mean, what is that? One locker type, right? In the post office.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
That's what I came to know, right? This is like one type of locker concept in the foreign countries they
Hmm.
maintain. So we having the unique identification. This will be unique for a person, huh? No, right? PO box.
It's only for the company
PO
code
box.
point of view. So company point of view, they won't ask this.
Okay, okay, okay. So the company can have that. I mean, it's their own PO box separate. each company, right? Like that, right?
Correct. Yes.
Not person based, right? Is like a company based, right?
Not person based.
Mhm. This concept we don't have in our year, right, in India. Okay, Bangalore, country, region, language key, EN, currency INR, right? Now think of the moment we click on save, what happens? This is the flow, right? This is the flow of entire
Hmm.
SAP. You take any standard or any business process day to day in the industry will happen this only. This is the flow I explain every day. I mean, more or less, this is the flow. This is the business transaction code. Business T code, and this is our database tables. SAP database tables. So data will go from here to here. The moment we click on save. So this process will happen through the code only, backend code only, SAP code only. Yes. The concept of for this OA exception, how they have developed is, it is not like any based on the other concept of MM01 and all. The concept to backend is the database tables, database maintenance view is there in the backend. This is a maintenance view. This is a maintenance view. This maintenance is responsible to transfer the data from here to here. This is the concept. Okay, now the moment I click on save, the data will go. See, the moment click on save here, it is asking the transport request. Think maybe especially other people or any one of you. What is this transport request? How it differs the other transport request? Whatever we created till now, right, table creation, database view, projection view, data element, ABAP program, that transport request is different. This type of transport request is different. What is this one? How we just observe closely. What is this one? Type of the transport request. Customizing, right?
Customize request.
Why it is not a ABAP, why it is not ABAP workbench request? Why is not like generally regular ABAP workbench request?
This is customization, sir. Company code creation, company
Ah,
creations.
Actually, what is this? There are two types of tasks in real-time projects. ABAP task, nothing but technical task, and other one is customizing task. Means this is what the customizing done by the SAP functional consultant at the initial stage of the project, right? So you create only initial stage only, right? Raghu, this one, not every day. I mean, whenever new company comes only, we'll do this activity, right? Right?
Yes,
In
sir.
the project
When most of the new company codes only we're going to use this functionality.
company and company code, both
Yeah. Now
company and
what we have is a standard templates. Okay. So we'll take one
Mhm.
existing company code and copy it. Till all basic
Mhm.
setups will get used by the template only.
Mhm. See, the problem, not problem, the challenge is going forward. They are developing this AI tool. Once
Hmm.
the AI tool you give all input, right? It creates
Hmm.
system automatically. The company code planned all these things automatically. We don't need to create manually.
Okay. Okay. Now also we're not doing it
That is
anything,
the
sir.
essay.
Just copy. It will take only 2 minutes to get copy. That's it.
How is it? But first
Yeah,
template
2 minutes you can.
manually would have been created, right? first template
Very first
manually
initial
whatever.
ways, the reason being we need to go the requirement gathering and everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
So very first company we are going to do it. Once the requirement gathering is there, they're going to provide the Excel sheet, and they will give the reference company code. So what we do, we'll go to
Mm-hmm.
the edit company code, we'll take the reference company code, just copy it. So everything will go get
Mm-hmm.
copy within a minute.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
if suppose what we do, company code, previous company code is Raghavendra name. Now it has to create it some other.
Mm-hmm.
That we are going to edit it. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Only 2 minute job
Mm-hmm.
because daily I used to create 5 to 6 company codes. Now the company has been divided, North Star and like that. All the company codes I had to create it
Mm-hmm.
minutes of time. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but there are difficult
Okay.
things for that, like APP and bank configuration. That we
Mm-hmm.
cannot do it using the template because that is again depends on bank requirement and the
Mm-hmm.
company requirement.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there are a lot of customization is
Great.
there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, standard one we're going to get.
Also,
Yeah,
mm,
go ahead. Sir.
okay. Also, as I was telling right yesterday, three types
Hmm.
of data:
Hmm.
master data, transaction data, customizing data. This data comes under the customizing data. Hence, it is asking the customizing transport request. Why? Because the data stores inside this transport request as well. In addition to the table, it stores under the transport request, and this data can be transported from one system to other system when you release the transport request. I'll show you that now. I mean, how where it stores. Now I can create a new transport request. Click on create. For new company. This one always I suggest to the people to be more clear to give here. So even the date and timestamp comes here, but still better to give this one here as well. Easy while searching. Say suppose 08 909 November 2025. So like this, if we give meaningful, it'll be easy when you are searching in the SC09. SC09 is the T code for to see the transport request. Save it here. Press enter here. Okay, first we see the data where it has been saved in the database table. How to see the data in the database table? How do you find out the what is the database table backend is? Take this, press F1 here. You get a pop-up. Go to technical attributes. You get one more pop-up. Go to the table name. I mean the view name. V T880. Double click here. Right? Go to table join conditions. You will get actual table. Again double click here. This is your actual table. Right? I was telling this is customizing data. How you can cross verify here? Go to here. Do you see C here? Not the other one here. Not A because C is customizing data. Not custom data is customizing data. This is what I was telling. Company code, plant, storage location, company. Right? All these things will come under the customizing data. This is what you can see here. And observe here. This is display maintenance allowed, not if you compare our other tables, Mara and Marcy, those tables we cannot insert the data through the maintenance. Hence, for those this attribute is different, not display maintenance is allowed. Okay, now if you go to technical settings, here also you can see it. Data class is APPL2. What is APPL2? For organization and customizing data store. Okay. And go to the contents to see the data. Now copy paste the company code. Execute. So this is the data which has been transferred in this flow. This is the flow. OX OX15. Transitional code is name is OX15. OX15. Okay, and backend is the maintenance view. What the maintenance view? V underscore T080. And backend's table name is T080. So this is the flow. Any questions here? Any questions? The flow or concept here.
No, sir.
This is the flow. You take any customizing data, what you are going to create, the backend is like this only. I'll take one more scenario. Now what I do is I will change the company information as well. Right now, I'll go back. Okay, I'll change the address maybe. How to change? Again, go to OX15 only. Go to OX15. Click on back, 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 cancel, cancel, back, right? Again, go to OX15. Anyone think of, observe, this type of skin we have seen earlier already. What is this type of skin in this skin? If you observe closely earlier classes. It is the table maintenance. Table maintenance view. This is this is what we have seen through SM30 data volume sorting. Okay. Now I can change this one. What I created. If I go to position, right? Let me search my company name. This is what I created just now. Right? Double click here. Right? I can change here. Suppose instead of Bangalore, instead of Whitefield, say I'll give KR. Okay. Now see here. Now what we are doing here is we are changing here data. Same process. When you change the data also through the maintenance view, the information will go and update into the TW0 table. So I am giving Kerpuram. Click on save. Right? That's the transport request because you are changing. Saved. To verify this, it has been changed or not in the database table. Same step. TW80. You can go from here or you can go to directly SC11. SC11. TW80. Click on display. Go to the contents. Give the company code. Sorry, company information, not a company code. It's company. See here. KR Pro. The data has been transferred to KR. Database table is KR Pro because you have changed the data. So entire SAP backend concept for all the configuration task, what do we do? SAP functional people. So this is a backend concept actually. It's a ABAP only. ABAP maintains is the backend. Okay. So you can see the transport request. If you go to /o, the C09. The C09 is the transport request to C. Here. Here we'll choose only the customizing transport request. You can choose here. Right? Modifier means not yet released. Click on display here. Right? Observe carefully because I have given very meaningful description. It is easy here to search, right? By seeing this, you know, right? This is the one what we created today, transport request. Right? So this is the best practice I am telling to follow in our projects as well. Okay, this is what my aim of the training. Also, whatever the experience I have in my different projects, so that you can follow that in your projects if they are not following. It's a customized task. So under this, the data will be saved with the primary key here. Only with the primary key will be saved here. Only see primary key only here. So this data will import, when you import the data will come into other system. It's the customizing data. All customizing data will import from one client to other client also, right? Through SCC1 transaction code. Cross client. So you might have done, right? Both of you, maybe Chari and Raghu. SCC1 transaction code.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
SCC1 cross client data transport is
Yes, yes.
customizing
That,
activity.
yeah,
All
one system from the system will
data.
copy the TRs. That's it.
Yes. So we'll do one more. So we'll create one more maintenance view, our own maintenance view. Before that, I will show you one more concept of company code also. Company code creation is what that Raghu? Company code creation is T code name.
OX10, you can go ahead, sir. OX10 or OX15. OX15 you try it. OX01 you can try.
OX01.
Assign
I
that
think
one.
assign purchase.
Yeah. One second.
OX10.
OX02 also.
It's a new plant, I think.
OX02 you can try.
OX0. New company code, OX10, correct. See here, new company code. The backend concept of this one also maintenance view only. How do you know? Press F1 here. You'll get a technical screen. Double click here. Do you see V underscore T001 is the view name? V underscore T001. Double click here again. Okay. Do you see here maintenance view here? Left side. And go to here, table join condition. You see the table name, actual table name. To this, the data will be stored. Again, double click here. Right? You see the all company codes information in this table. This is the data of all company codes. So we'll create new company code. The transaction code is OX02. So here, this is a flow. One more transaction code, OX02. New company code creation. Especially ABAP people, right? If ABAP people knows these concepts, it will be very interesting. Than just to focus only the table, right?
Correct.
Bring the data, display like that. Right? This is the backend concept. What is happening? New company code creation, because many times this company code fields will be using in the different programs. BUKRS field, BUQRS field, plant field, material field. These fields data, how the data source data comes, right? That we focus ABAP people. It's very interesting. These concepts, this ABAP, SAP. So a new company code creation we are doing now. And the moment you click on save here, this is save here. See, this is the flow. Okay, this may be not maintains in every case. MM01, sales order creation, material creation, but flow is same only. If we understood the flow, so entire SAP is this only. Maybe we are doing through the GUI, through the Fury apps also concept same only. It will be the Fury app here. You do the activity here, save it. Data will go to the backend database tables through the web code only. Through the web code only. Okay. And go to here. And here maintenance view. Which maintenance view? V underscore T001, I think. Here. See here. So you can see here, press F1. T001. This is the main table for the company code. Go to here. And then this will go to database table. This is SAP database tables. Right? T001. Click on save. This is the flow. So we will create new company here. Code, new company code. So I can give a new company code and see. Okay. Okay, I'll give here city as Bangalore. Reason here is and here. I'll click on save here. So when you save it, so SAP has created the code to give this pop-up to enter additional information here. So you can give here company name, Marius, English solutions. First, so technical point of view, you don't need to know what is this, all these things, but this is business understanding. When a new company you are going to create company code, all this information will be available. SAP is standard this one. theater house, Whitefield, country, here, right? And region here, Karnataka, right? City, you can do Bangalore. Same thing you can do here. Telephone number. All this data will go and sit in the database tables. Everything in the SAP, everything in the IT industry, whatever you do it, the backend database is required to store the information. That's all. Click on enter here. Oh, only PO box or postal code or company code. So I don't need to enter all. Click on enter. Postal code also mandatory here. Right? This is also customizing request. You can create new customizing request. New company code. Save it here. Enter. So this data will go and sit in the database table. Right? So how to check it? Go to the table. T001 table. Copy this one. /4 SC11. Right? Right? T001. Click on display. Right? See, this is also the customizing data. You can observe here. Go to here. Delivery and maintenance. See, this is the delivery class is C. C for customizing data. Right? And even if you go for technical settings. See also you can find out the data class right? ABPL2. Organizing and organization and customizing. Customizing data. Now go to the contents to see the data. Go to contents. Right here, copy paste my company code information. Execute here. Do you see the data? This is what I have created here. Right? So through the view also you can see this one. This is the data flow. What the view name is? /4 SC11. View name is V T001. Click on the display here. This is a standard maintenance view. SAP created this one. Go to here. So this is the table, the data. Okay. Any questions here? Hello?
No, from my side.
SAP has written this maintenance view. So we can create our own. So you can practice also plant creation also. What is the plant creation T code, Raghu? Plant, remember? Plant creation.
I think OX 10 or 15, sir. Either one you can try it.
OX 15, huh?
10, 10.
OX 10.
OX 10 try.
Go to OX. OX 10. Correct. New plant here. This also maintenance view backend. How do you know? Press F1. You'll get a pop-up. Go to technical attributes. Right? See V underscore T001W. Double click here. Right? This is the maintenance view. Go to table join conditions. See this many tables the data will go through that through when you create a plant. All these database tables, standard database tables. We'll check one by one. I think all should be customizing tables only. T005 countries. So it goes to the countries table as well. Right? It is also maybe customizing only. Customizing table. Then go back. Right? Double click on the T002. Okay. What is this one? Language keys. Right? So data will go to into this table as well. SAP has written that code in the backend. T005T. The data will go to this table as well. Country names with the language key, I think. Go back. T005U is also one table. This table also data will go. Okay. And you can see a delivery and maintenance. So see customizing data. You can practice as a homework this one. Try to create one new plant. And do what I have done also, company and company code as well. Yeah? OX10.
Your screen sharing stopped, sir.
Just I'm copying this in our WhatsApp. That's fine. So I'll create now one maintenance view. Go to /m SC11. In the real-time projects maintenance view, we don't create in the very rare, not required. Maintenance view concept is to insert the data into the standard tables. If you want to create insert the data. For the standard tables data to enter, already SAP has given the standard transaction code. That standard transaction code will transfer the data through the maintenance view only. But we can create now on this standard table. Go to here, go to view, and give here the maintenance view. Click on create. Choose the maintenance view. Right? Do the maintenance view here. Okay. Go to here. Go T00 TW80, right? The table name TW80. So on this you are creating the maintenance view. Because this is standard table, we want to insert the data into this table. That is possible through the maintenance view only. Go to view fields here. Single table only. And primary key fields will come automatically here. Go to new fields if you want to choose. table fields, right? Country, name to, language, local currency, okay, global currency, PO box. Okay, I'll be just up to here only. Click on copy, save it here, right? It has the package there. Save it here. Why it is workbench request? Anyone can think and tell me?
The technical and database changes, what you're doing, right, sir? You're
It
doing
is a
planned one,
data.
or what?
Sorry, it's a data. It is a technical input task, right? It's not a data,
Yes, technical.
right? If you want, you can create a new transport request here. It's a technical task. Go to here. In maintenance view. Wow, company information. Click on save here. Enter here. So see, any maintenance view or table maintenance means in SAP terminology, you can insert the data, you can delete the data, you can modify the data. This is the concept now. Through the maintenance view, we can insert the data. We can modify the existing information. We can delete also. These three all options is possible. Create, modify, delete. Right? Now think of 1 minute. This is where you see the contents, right? Contents. When I click on this button, okay, let me activate it. Right? So think 1 minute. Tell me why this is not working. Contents. Why this is not working? Think and tell me.
So you mean to say this is not activated yet?
Activation done already. See here. The activation I have done.
Maintenance. So since it's not a maintenance table, so it's not allowing us.
So why it is not allowing?
Should give you some data actually.
Or why I am unable to insert? Because data need to be inserted.
Yeah, data need to be inside, but it's not a maintenance table right now.
Huh? What is that?
It's not a maintenance table.
This maintenance table only. See here. You go to here.
Hmm.
You go to here. This is a maintenance table only here. Maintenance allowed. Means maintenance allowed means you can insert the data, you can modify, you can delete. Okay, other way I will ask the question. How to insert the data, modify, delete in normal custom tables, whatever that we have done. What is the important thing that has to be considered that has to be created for modifying the data, creation of the data, deletion of the data?
That data we can able to do it through SM30, right, sir? Addition, deletion, we
Correct,
can do it.
correct. The same thing. To insert the data through SM30, what is the important thing we should do before that?
Before
The
that,
same error you get like this.
yeah, before that, ensure that this table should be maintained stable, and we have to maintain all technical things, package and everything.
TMG concept, table maintenance generator.
Yeah, that need to be activated, right?
That should be created. Otherwise, it won't be able to insert the data. This seems that people are not practicing. Because initially I took so many classes about this table creation, TMZ, table creation data,
Yes,
how to
yes.
create the data. Okay, anyway. Now if I go to here, utilities, do you see table maintenance generator option here? Go to here. You will get a pop-up here. What we should do here? Anyone tell me? Anyone remember what we should do here?
We can give the maintenance screens, okay, and authorization group.
What is the purpose of authorization group?
To allow to enter the data, actually, this one.
No, actually the authorization group is right. Only specific users can access the data.
Yeah.
This is a flow. This is authorization group. Authorization group. And this is maybe username, user1. This user1. With his ID, you can give the access.
Yes.
User2. This is a concept, right? User2. User3. So if you give this authorization people, these people only, this is the table. These people only will access the table. Link like this. Only these people will give access now. They only can access this table.
Correct. Based on the rules.
Based on the rules. Okay, now here, what is the next step here we should do?
The
What the
maintenance
next step we should do here?
maintenance screen can be.
So function group, what we should do here? We cannot should be kept blank. We should copy paste this one here. Right? And then one step and two step. What is the one step? What is the two step?
That screen visibility.
Generate screens. Click on create now. Enter. Save it now. Save it. Okay, this is for the maintenance view. Save
So
it.
when you are entering those data, sir, it's allowing to save it from there.
Huh?
When you
Now it will
enter
allow.
that, okay, for me, know what happened when I enter this data, the save option is not coming. That is still not activated. Like that is coming.
Maybe you are in display mode. Check it.
Yeah, yeah, I'll check that one also. Yeah, maybe I'll go to change mode.
Right now you can insert the data either through SM30 or directly through this maintenance view. Directly now. Go back. Right now, see this is disabled. This is enabled now. Enabled here. You see now. We create new company here.
Still, it's coming again.
I think somewhere I'm editing. That's why it is coming here.
Same issue. Even change mode also, I'm getting same issue.
You want to be share screen? You can share the screen. No problem.
Yeah, let me share.
Share it.
Yeah, I'm sharing it.
I'll give the. I think you can share it. It's a
Host
good actually
eligible
if
to
you can
attend the
do
session.
parallel.
So
I
host
give the
eligible
access.
attendee to scale the share.
Now I
I
give.
think yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, I can able to do that now. But the screen option is not giving.
Hmm.
It is disabled for me. The share option is
Hmm.
disabled.
Hmm.
Let me reshare it. Okay. Okay. Can you see screen, sir?
Yes.
Now also you can see, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, I just see this is the table I maintained. If I go to change, okay. If I'm going for that table maintain generator,
Hmm.
okay. If I'm giving something here, objective,
No ampersand.
okay.
It won't accept. Give ampersand
Okay.
NC ampersand
Ampersand.
at the rate symbol. ఇది ఉంటుంది ampersand అంటే మనకి
One
మీకు
second,
ఇక్కడ
I'll check.
టైప్ చేస్తే చూడండి.
This one.
కాదు
This one.
చాట్ విండోలో మీకు టైప్ చేస్తారు చూడండి.
Okay.
సారీ టైప్ ఇన్ చాట్ విండో.
Oh, and okay.
That is without authorization meaning.
Okay. So Ipurkani, you can see this is not even activated.
You have to click on create button. Raghu. There is one create
Oh,
button there, right?
oh okay,
Wait,
okay.
1 minute. Yeah. Do two step, one more screen also. Overview screen also.
Okay, this is 100. This is 200. Okay,
Press
now it's
enter
fine.
here.
The objective of this does not exist.
What is that object here? Click on
Okay.
save once again. Click on save. Now once. No, click that create. There is the create button left
This one,
side.
right? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
This is already processing is coming.
I think click on back button here.
Okay.
Again, go to utilities. Utilities table maintenance generator. Now again do the same thing. Copy paste. Function. Yes. Click on create now.
It's not like just.
Save the package. No, no problem. Click on save.
I'm clicking on save. Okay, fine. It's allowed now. Yeah, done, sir. Package.
Save again. Again save it.
I think it. This was the thing I wanted to ask you yesterday only. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This.
Now you can insert to that.
Yeah. We can now maintain it. This one, right? Table maintenance. I think now we can able to maintain it, right? So go on to SM30. Only
Click on
display
that.
and maintenance instructions. And extras.
No, here go to delivery and maintenance tab. Raghu,
Delivery
go to
and
delivery.
maintenance tab.
Here
This
maintenance
one
allowed.
allowed.
Activate.
Let me go out from.
Now you can again go back. Click on back here. SM30.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now it's working.
Yes.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah. Thank you, sir. I'll stop sharing
Okay.
it.
Okay. Right now we were doing this one. Right. Now if I go to SM view, right, S11 maintenance view, change, right, entries, right, new records I can create. Click on display, new entries. Through my maintenance view, data is inserting no data into the table. I can go MRAS 5, right? I can go country region, IN, language, IN, PO box, I can give the value here. 5600. Currency INR. Save it now. Right? Because it's customizing data, creates a new transport request. You can create a new transport request here. Or you can use the same thing here as well. New company. MRAs 5. No. June. Click on save here. Save it now. Right? Now this will be saved in the database table. How do you know? Copy this. Go to the table. Go to table join condition. Go to the table. Go to the contents. Copy paste the name. Execute. See MRAS file is there. This is what the data is transferred to database table. If you want, you can delete also. Go back, back, back. Go to here. Search here, go to change mode, search here, MRAS 5. You can delete this as well. Select this, click on minus button here. Data is deleted, save it here. Done. Now it will not be either MRAS 5. Go back, check the table, go to the table, go to the contents, right? Copy paste here, not there here. Because we have deleted from the database table through the maintenance view. Okay. So like this, you can also practice create a maintenance view on the company code, right? Create maintenance view on the table T001. Same out how I have done. Okay.